Hello friends, here I am with a case study of Tribhuvan Das VMG Javeri. In short, we can call it TBZ. So TBZ Jewelers is one of the oldest and biggest jewelry store in India. Actually, it is not a single store but a chain of stores. They were the first to offer certified diamonds and promote the concept of lightweight jewelry in the country. Apart from their stores across the nation, they have a force of 135 highly skilled master jewelers, ensuring a unique touch to their jewelry. In 2015, the company operated in 15 locations across the country and employed 950 staffs. TBZ's IT infrastructure consisted of 35 servers, about 20 of which resided in a primary data center, and the rest were scattered throughout the Indian locations. This distributed architecture presented a management challenge to TBZ's information technology team, which had to ensure that critical databases and applications met strict business requirements of availability and performance. The centrally located servers were also staining the data center's air conditioning facilities. Running 35 physical servers posed a strong management challenge of controlling the information technology cost, and over at this point, TBZ decided to bring in data center virtualization to consolidate and centralize their servers as well as control costs. TBZ chose the virtualization product called VMware. It allowed them to manage their consolidated infrastructure from a single console. This also reduced their hardware cost by 4 million over 3 years, while achieving a server consolidation ratio of 7:1. TBZ was also able to enhance the utilization of existing servers by boosting the average central processing unit utilization from the pre-virtualization level, which was 3 to 4% to 70% in the new system. It was also to reduce the server requirements to 4 hosts. This minimized power and cooling costs. The solution also helped improve their uptime from a mere 70% to 98% in the new system. The company was also planning to deploy VMware to virtualize about 100 desktops to further reduce the IT management task. VMware is a virtualization platform that helped customers control their applications, manage their security, and ensure their security layer. At TBZ, the VMware platform ran high-end databases such as Oracle 11 and a suite of applications on 60 virtual servers. The server could run a choice of operating systems as needed by the applications. TBZ chose VMware as it was an award-winning product. It won the Wall Street Journal 2011 Technology Innovation Award. Also, it was backed by a strong company which had revenues of $2 billion in 2009. Furthermore, VMware was a top product among its competitors, which many CIOs and many chief information officers of companies choosing it over its rivals. Investment was not a constant for TBZ as it believed in having a full-fledged IT infrastructure. The applications were deployed in silos spread across 3-tier applications, including the client-server applications which needed integration. During 2009, when Dave decided to consolidate and virtualize their servers, TBZ chose VMware virtualization solution after careful evaluation of other ways. Having finalized on VMware, Dave went ahead to rope in VMware's implementation partner network. TBZ invests about 15 million rupees on IT tools and technologies per. As a result of server virtualization, the company which need great benefits. According to Dave, the process of implementation took only 2 weeks. The solution enabled management of a consolidated virtual infrastructure from a single console. It also reduced the server footprint to 4 hosts and minimized power and cooling costs. The total investment that went into the deployment was around 4.5 million rupees. TBZ did not observe any hindrances during the implementation process, though there were certain apprehensions earlier with regard to the security. According to Dave, the new infrastructure has enabled TBZ to reduce the number of people required to manage it. By deploying VMware virtualization solution, we have consolidated our previously scattered servers into our primary data centers, which reduced our server management load, the Dave said. He also explained that a few number of servers, just 4 blade servers, means a cut on future hardware spending and will reduce the data center air conditioning and power cost, resulting in a saving of around 4 million over the next 3 years. 4 million in Indian terms, 40 lakhs rupees in next 3 years span of time. Also, the number of administrators required to run the environment went down to just 1 from 10 people, and the server performance improved by 30 to 34%. The time required to provision a new server, excluding hardware procurement process, was reduced from 1 day to just 20 minutes. The processor utilization improved also from a dismal of 4% to 70% in new system. Also, there was a drop in the required rack space. TBZ estimated a 20 to 30% jump in its IT budget in subsequent years as the company planned to do some major upgrades according to its expansion plans for its retail outlets. The main idea was to virtualize about 100 out of 300 desktops to derive cost benefits. So friends, in this case study we have seen how implementation of information technology can help an organization to reduce cost, to optimize itself in a better manner for competitive need. Friends, in next video we'll talk about a